completed up to chapter number 9 and today we are going to start chapter number 10. Okay. For explaining this chapter, first of all let me write the name of the chapter. Today we are going to start chapter 10 from your grammar book. What is happening now? What is happening? What is happening now? Now just look at the name of the chapter. What is happening? क्या हो रहा है? See the word happening. Happen, ing. Happening. You must have heard many words while when we talk to each other, like I am running, I am painting, I am sleeping, I am eating, I am taking bath, and likewise you all say he is running, he is painting, he is sleeping, he is talking, she is running, she is sleeping, she is talking, she is eating. Likewise you also use the sentences like they are running, they are sleeping, they are talking, they are eating, they are playing. So we are going to learn these ing words. ing words. And ing words जो हम पढ़ने वाले हैं वो किस में पढ़ने वाले हैं? Yes, to the action words. जो चैप्टर नंबर 9 में आपने एक्शन वर्ड्स पढ़ा है, that only we are going to learn, and that is called action plus ing. Action plus ing, you will learn that what is happening now, how you have to use action plus ing with different helping verbs. With different helping verbs, and today in this chapter, what is happening now? There are three helping verbs: is and are. That we are going to learn that where we have to use is, where we have to use and, where we have to use are. Okay. Now I am reading out some sentences from page number 56. Okay. Now see here. In the yellow box it is given. Look around you. What is your teacher doing? आपकी टीचर क्या कर रही है? What is your teacher doing? आपकी टीचर क्या कर रही है? What is happening outside the classroom? Classroom के बाहर क्या हो रहा है? Happening. H-A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G. Happening. Next is, what are your friends doing? आपके friends क्या कर रहे हैं? Do plus ing. I have told you that we are going to learn many ing action words in this chapter. Next, what do you think is happening at your home? अभी आपके घर में क्या हो रहा है? Again, happen plus ing. Now next, read these examples. I am reading out the examples here from page number 56. I am reading a book. मैं एक book read कर रहा हूँ. Jay is walking in the park. Jay park में walk कर रहा है. खुशी is running up the stairs. खुशी स्टेयर्स पे दौड़ रही है. सोनिया इज स्लीपिंग. सोनिया सो रही है. इट इज रेनिंग. बारिश हो रही है. नाउ व्हेन टीचर वाज स्पीकिंग आउट द सेंटेंसेस, इट वाज एक्शन प्लस ing, बट व्हेन यू स्पीक द सेम सेंटेंस इन हिंदी, इट बिकम्स हो रहा है, कर रही है, सो रही है, दौड़ रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, done now. जो एक्शन है वो अभी चल रहा है, अभी हो रहा है. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट page, page number 57. Here we are going to use is and are. And where he is used, where am is used, and where are is used, it is given. He is. See, I am here in this table, and I am reading out all the words from here only. The subject and verb agreement I am reading out. कौन से subject के साथ कौन सा helping verb लगेगा? He is, she is, it is. Again, he is, it is, she is. Next, I am, I am, I am. Next, you are, we are, they are. Okay, that means with he and she we are going to use ISS. With I we are going to use am, and you, we, they we are going to use are. Again I am saying with he, she and it we are going to use ISS. With I we are going to use am, and with you, we, they we are going to use are. It is not only we are going to use it now, but we use every time. Now I am reading out the sentence on page number 57. Now read these sentences. Seema is eating. Seema खा रही है. She is eating. वह खा रही है. I am eating. मैं खा रहा हूँ. We are eating. हम खा रहे हैं. He is eating. वह खा रहा है. It is eating. यह खा रहा है. You are eating. आप खा रहे हैं. They are eating. वे खा रहे हैं. These sentences tell us that the person or animal is eating at present. मतलब ये सारे sentences में eating का काम चल रहा है. Now next we are going to do exercises from page number 57 and 58. There are 10 questions. Now see here on page number 57 and 58, there are some pictures given in which the work is going on. The work is going on. Reading, cooking, again reading, or writing, cooking and reading. So we have to fill the same in the blanks that we are seeing that what is happening now. Look at this picture. What they are, what are they doing now? अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? That we have to write. So the girl is writing. So we are going to write the girl is writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. The girl is writing. Next, mother. What the mother is doing? Mother is cooking. Why we are using is here? ing तो इसलिए हमने यूज किया क्योंकि वो काम हो रहा है. लेकिन is क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि he, she और it के साथ हमको is यूज करना है. और अगर फर्स्ट वर्ड पर्सन या कोई भी एनिमल या कोई भी थिंग अगर सिंगुलर होगा तब भी हमको is ही यूज करना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर father is a singular word, so again we are going to write is for father and he is reading, so father is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Father is reading. Now turn the page on page number 58. On page number 58, there is a family sitting. Some children are there and the television is being played. Okay, so they का मतलब होता है वे, और वे जो होते हैं वो प्लूरल होते हैं और प्लूरल के साथ हम are यूज करते हैं. So they are watching. रहे हैं, क्या देख रहे हैं? टीवी देख रहे हैं, टेलीविजन। दे आर वॉचिंग टेलीविजन। WATCHING, watching. WATCHING, watching. They are watching television. Now next is, there are 4 children and there is a Ludo. That means they are playing. They are playing. Who are playing? The children are playing. The children are playing. The children are playing. The children are playing. Now we will do the next 4 sentences. Number 7. I'm writing here only. The water. What is happening to water? The water is boiling. BOILING. The water is boiling. पानी उबल रहा है. The water is boiling. पानी उबल रहा है. The water is boiling. BOILING. The water is boiling. Now number 8. Number 8 is the teacher. What the teacher is doing? The teacher is teaching. The teacher, write down in the blank, is teaching. TEACHING. The teacher is teaching. Number 9. What is being done? At number 9, it is snowing. At number 9, it is snowing. SNOWING. Class 1, what we are doing here? We are using the sentences with is and are and ing with the action verbs. They are very simple sentences. And at last, what is happening at number 10? At number 10, the girls are dancing. I am just writing are dancing here. Are dancing. DANCING. The girls are dancing. The girls are dancing. So class 1. Now what did we learn here? We have learned that with is and are, ing form of the action word is used. is and are के साथ हमेशा ing form of the action word use होता है, जिसमें हम he और she के साथ या किसी भी singular subject के साथ is use करते हैं. And it also, and like he is, she is, it is, the man is, the girl is, the boy is, the teacher is, father is, mother is, and I am. I के साथ हमेशा am use किया जाता है. Like I am running, I am eating, I am playing, I am sleeping. And with you, we and they, always are is used. So class 1, this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.